When it comes to making a statement, nothing does it quite like a red lipstick. Today I'm sharing my go-to red lipstick combos that you need to try. Let's begin. First one is a glossy red lip paired with a deep brown lip liner. This one is my current go-to everyday red lipstick combo. Lining the lips with Makeup Forever Limitless brown lip liner, and then add YSL Candy Glaze lip gloss in the shade Red Crush. This lip gloss gives a high shine finish with buildable coverage. The more you apply it, the brighter it gets. The next one is a bold, glossy red lipstick combo. Here I'm using a red lip liner to line the lips. This is the Fenty Beauty MVP lip liner. And on top, I applied the MVP Gloss Bomb Stick. This is a glossy, medium pigmented red lipstick. The third one is a matte satin red lip combo. Lining the lips with a deep brown lip liner. This is MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. If you want a subtle red lip, always use a deeper color lip liner like deep brown or purple to tone down the color. Going on top with Nars Inappropriate red lipstick. This is a medium dark, slightly cool tone red lipstick. The next one is a wearable everyday red lipstick that is in between bold and subtle. Lining the lips using the same MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. Paired with MAC Locked Kiss lipstick in the shade Gutsy. This is a tomato red color with orange hue. This is a matte lipstick that is transfer resistant with 24-hour wear. You can wear it matte, but I like to pair it with MAC Clear Lip Gloss. Let me know which red lipstick combo is your favorite in the comments. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Bye.